And madalas, nagbebenta siya doon or ino-offer nila yung kanilang organic, free-range brown chicken eggs. So yun yung gagamitin natin. Yung kanilang herbs at saka yung pinagmamalaki nila na very nutritious talaga. Na dito mismo natin na-pick yung kanilang brown eggs. Gawa lang tayo ng herb frittata. After nyan, of course, beat lang natin. Pinakamagiging seasoning natin is yung ating Parmesan cheese. Of course, pwedeng salt lang din naman. Pero mas bongga ng kaunti. And then, yung ating cream. You have the option to chop your herbs saka mo ilalagay. Pero what I'm going to do, para lang din masigurado ko na